Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You've got the emailed Apple gift card. Start now by verifying sender authenticity and locating the redemption link or code. You should be signed into the Apple ID you want to credit. Sign in on the device before you proceed. Once done, open the email on that device so the link or code is accessible. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable because the App Store or iTunes will communicate with Apple servers during redemption. Now redeem the code. If the email provides a link labeled Add to Apple ID, tap it and confirm sign-in. If only a code is shown, open the App Store or iTunes and choose Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can scan with your device camera or paste the code exactly. Once submitted, the balance updates to your Apple ID. Wait for the confirmation dialog. Make sure to note which Apple ID received the credit, especially if you manage multiple. Finish by using your Apple ID balance for purchases or subscriptions. The App Store uses gift credit before other payment methods. Once you buy, confirm the receipt in your account settings and check family sharing if you want to share purchases. If something goes wrong, like invalid code, wrong region, or balance not appearing, sign out and sign back in, confirm the code matches the email, and finally contact Apple support if the problem persists. That usually resolves account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.